So in Unreal, you all know that you have bookmarks, control 1, 2, 3, 4, all that sort of stuff, right? What if you're working on a massive open world game? Uh, Imagine like this scene we've got here, the recent pack that I relit. And it just goes on for miles. It goes on for like distance and distance and distance. What are some ways? Well, this tip I'm going to show you is a way that you can share your viewport position across any build, any computer, without needing bookmarks, as long as they're in the same level and world, essentially. I'm going to show you how to do that, and then that'll be the tip. Okay, let's role play a bit. So let's say that okay, let's do this, right? Let's say that you're in the level and you're working on a team, and you spot this, but you're in a massive open world. Here's the trick. Firstly, just take a normal screenshot. However you want to take the screenshot, doesn't matter. So I'll just do control, pretend I'm taking a proper screenshot. I'll put it on Miro, because Miro is honestly the #1 thing I've used in every single studio, and personally I love it. So I'll put this in here, and I'm going to go tell Bob that, Bob's responsible for this area. Maybe I'm lighting the area and I see this. I'm like, Bob, there's an issue. The medieval cart is clipping through the wall or the floor, but there's hundreds of medieval carts. How can I get Bob to that position? Here's the trick. Point your viewport wherever you want at the issue. Go into your console and just type BUGIT. Don't go to that. Don't go to this menu. This is, I'm not going to say it's hidden. This is like, I'm going to say hidden little thing. Just press bug it. Now what's happened is the coordinates and the rotation of your viewport has been stored to your clipboard. So what is a really good practice is, and I do this with all my personal pieces of work and mentees, I'll take screenshots and I don't have to be worried about the bookmark changing, the camera changing or anything, because it's based off world data. So if I put that there like that, I can say, hey Bob, go check out this area. What does Bob do? Bob will grab this, Control C. Let's say that Bob's over here in the world, chilling with the pumpkins. He's like, okay, oh, thanks for that. Paste that in, boom. You will match that viewport. So you don't need bookmarks. As long as you're in the same level, it can be anywhere. So if you put these underneath your screenshots, you can use it for multiple purposes. Saving the same screenshots on every level so you can keep a track of things. Using it as a bug report to point out areas. And I'll repeat it one more time. Point your camera somewhere. BUGIT. Paste it into Notepad or Miro, whatever you want to do. Copy that. Click once, copy. Move the viewport, pretend you're somewhere else. Hit the console, paste it. You have now matched that. So again, this is a really good effective method for you to use in production when there are so many people working on the level and you need very easily the ability to point out an issue or save your own internal bookmarks. Hope that helps. See you soon.